Hi guys, my name is Briana Bowling. I am 24 and my current status is childcare. I'm pursuing that route, kind of get my feet wet out there. So yeah. So one of the reasons I wanted to get my high school diploma, I was very educated. I loved going to school all the time. Um, I was young, I was dumb, made some mistakes, but this program really allowed me to come back and take back something that I worked so hard for and just let go. So it was really amazing to get this opportunity to come in and get that education that I always wanted. And this program is really awesome, and I'm really grateful for it because without it, I would not have my diploma. So thank you. So my initial reaction when I graduated was instant tears. Um, it was just excitement. I was just so proud in that moment. I felt like I was on top of the world. Um, it was really so like emotional, and it's still emotional for me because without this program I wouldn't have been able to even have the opportunity to get my diploma back. And for that I'm just so grateful for this opportunity that I'm given. And yeah, it was just pure excitement. I'm ecstatic and I'm just ready to see what my future holds. I would say that my mindset has completely did like a 360. Before, I just felt so down because I did not have that education, that jobs that I wanted or wanted to pursue. Just I didn't qualify because I did not have that education background. And it's just completely changed my life knowing that I have a high school diploma and I can do all these things now. Like nothing can stop me anymore. It's not a holdback or anything. And it's amazing. It truly is amazing how many doors have opened since I've completed this, and I'm just so grateful. My plans now that I have graduated, um, I'm in between. Right now, I'm pursuing childcare. I want to own my own facility. I might even go the route of child therapy, maybe even a social worker of some sorts. I'm really just trying to further my education when it comes to children because there's so many lives that I could impact and help. And I'm just so excited to pursue that. And I want to say thank you to this program and everyone who helped me get this far and to get one of the biggest accomplishments in my life. So I'm very grateful for this, and I hope that anybody who has this opportunity takes advantage of it because it's once in a lifetime and it's amazing. So thank you.